Hi, it's Nick Lucas from Health Professional CPD, and as you know, one of the things we do is provide continuing professional development to health professionals around the world with our various online training programs. Now, I'd like to invite you to watch an exclusive interview we conducted with Professor Nik Bogduk. Nik Bogduk is a pain researcher and clinician. His research spans over 30 years. He's written over 200 research papers, numerous books, more book chapters, and is an in-demand keynote speaker at international conferences. And he really has left a footprint on this world of pain medicine and all the different disciplines that are involved in treating patients with pain. It's rare that you get to see an interview like this, because normally you would get to experience Nick speaking as a keynote speaker at a big conference, and you wouldn't get to see him in a more personal, discussive kind of role like it is in this interview. So I really encourage you to get the interview so you can watch this. Now, the questions we posed to him, we actually went to our colleagues and we said, look, we've got an opportunity to interview Nick on video. If you had that opportunity, what questions would you ask him? And so that formed the collection of questions that we then went ahead and posed to Nick, and he answered them for us in this interview. The kinds of topics that he covers are things like subgrouping patients, clinical prediction rules when it comes to treating patients with pain. They're very kind of popular and topical. A lot of research going on in that area at the moment. And he also discusses his insights over his 30 years in research and what he thinks might be happening for us in the future. So all you need to do to watch the interview is go ahead and put your details, name and email, in the form to the side of this video. Please use the best email, the email you check regularly, because we're also going to be sending you some other resources in relation to this. And so if you use the email that is your best email, of course you'll get our communications and be able to participate in this. So again, go ahead and do it. I'm sure you're going to find the interview interesting and valuable. We certainly enjoyed creating it for you and bringing it to you, so go ahead and consume it. Name and email to the side of the form, and we'll see you, so to speak, in the interview on the other side of this webpage.